Do you like hurting other people?
Yes! Oh, what the hell? Boom. There we go. A plus. A plus? What else did you want of me? How is that not an S? Well, time to begin this journey with not a piece of mail, a phone call.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, this is Scott from the pizzeria. So, you have animatronic parts to deliver. The delivery point should be included with the package. And, I guess that's it. Good luck.
Okay, now we get the mail.
Dear Jacket, I'm informing you that you are now blackmailed into committing acts of horrendous violence. Your first target is 1337 Mobster Tram. An additional target would be the retrieval of a briefcase. Failure to comply will result in your gratuitous demise. XOXO. Love, Hotline Miami.
Alright, let's do this. Wham. Pat. Bam. There we go. Ah, they're coming. Get got. Bah. Bah. Oh, God. Oh, my allergies. I'm gonna die. Alright, let's beat this guy's ass. Usually you're supposed to throw up there, but he didn't. He just killed him and just was cool. Man, for some reason when I look at Beard, I just can't imagine him with anything other than a stoner voice. Something like, hey man, I haven't seen you around. I don't know. New message. Yeah, you need a babysitter. Okay, look, I'll go handle those rascals. I'll take care of those damn kiddos. No need to worry, lady. Spring fucking sucks for me. Knife. What the? There we go. There we go. You got a phone call, you gotta kill some people. Yeah, let's go. I got the fists of fury. Hey-ya! Okay. Phone call, I gotta kill something. Let's go. There. Ah, this guy. Fucking hate this guy. I gotta do everything most little bit. Fuck you. There. Oh, God. Please don't. Motherfucker, you don't have the right to beg. Take this shit. Yeah. He kidnapped this woman. Look at everything that you could probably guess. What, am I supposed to feel bad for killing him? I'm gonna go on a bit of a tangent here, but I remember watching a video going on about how Jacket is a horrifying villain, and look, he kills people without mercy, and this guy was begging for his life, and he did that to him, and I'm like, look at what that piece of shit did. Do you think he deserved any better after doing all this shit to this poor girl? No, fuck that guy. Fuck everyone else for being affiliated with him too. I'm with Jacket on this one. I'm not gonna say he's a hero, but he's definitely not the villain because he's ruthless. These people deserve worse. So anyway, all that said, let's rescue this woman. Oh, okay. We got another call. We gotta go kill more people. Huzzah. Next snap, hi-ya. God. There. Yep, there's the girl we rescued. She's chilling in the bathroom.
We need you.
Come here. You. Fella. There. Imagine you're just chilling on the toilet, and then a guy in a wolf mask just kicks in the door. Oh, okay, I don't get to keep the rifle. Sup, fat guy? You're done now, bitch. Yeah. Oh, I got them both. Nice.
There's been a small change in plans.
You're dead meat. Okay. Yep. God.
1 hour of gameplay later.
You think I'm stupid? You said it would be exciting, didn't you? Well, I'm fucking bored. I've had it. I want out.
There's a guy hiding out at the Blue Dragon. Just don't mention my name to anyone. I'm as good as dead anyway. Huh, okay, so I can't kill him. Gotcha. There. Security, security! Look, sir, please don't kill me. Please, I'll do anything. Yeah. Well, that was easy.
You think this is a game?
Don't you? If you don't understand why we're doing this, then why should I tell you?
Yeah. Fucker. Everyone is dead, and I win the game. The end.
1 hour of gameplay earlier.
Just got a circle. Okay, now he'll grab that. What the fucking fuckity fuck? There.
Get it now. Not like this.
Well, it is.
I'm so close.
Too bad. Onwards. So, another phone call, another kill. Ah, God. Oh, last guy. Ah! Yeah, you better surrender, fucker. Oh, no, you don't get to get away. Oh shit, that's awesome. That was awesome. Ah, shit.
What's up?
My head, my mind has been blown. Well, that's crazy, man. That blew my mind.
Hey Doc, when's this bastard gonna wake up? I don't know. He's been in a coma for weeks now. Though I can say it would take a while.
Or a couple minutes. Alright, I'm up. Time to go. Alright. Okay, elevator. Go, 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 go! Ah! There. God, that was irritating. My house is fucked up. My girl is dead. Time to get revenge. Revenge! Really? They wrote whore on my car? Alright.
You gotta be shitting me! Why are you— Look, I'm sorry about your girl!
Hey man, I don't want no trouble here. The safe is open, just take what you want and go. Look, I'm not the owner, he's not here. I just run the club. Let's be civil about this. Okay, I don't know how to do that voice and sound spooked or anything. Okay. Bye. Nah, I'm kidding. You think I'm gonna let you live? Oh, shit. Oh, that was savage. I wonder how unsanitary Jacket is as a human. There. And who do we have here? You must be one of them assholes killing off my men. Doesn't look like you are here to chat, so why don't we get this over with?
Leave him to me.
Oh, fuck! Boss, was that your fucking hockey trophy?
Samurai chick thinking she's so badass and then just throw a trophy at her, problem solved. Not bad, I'm impressed. I wonder what gave you this thirst for blood. Years of childhood trauma. I've never seen anything quite like it. Now I want to see who's hiding behind that mask. Ah! I can see where this is going. I'll spare you the pleasure. Adios. Oh. What's going on down there? I'm trying. No, it's an old man. Give me a sec. What's going on down there? I'm trying to sleep. Is there anyone down there? Can you hear me? Hello? Goddamn phones, I fucking hate these things, these newfangled thingamajigs! So you're the one causing the ruckus. What's your business here? Actually, why don't we skip the details? I've done so many horrible things you don't even know. I once stole candy from a baby, and then threw that baby into a river to keep him from snitching. Obviously. Nothing seems to really matter after that. Well, I'm not going anywhere, as you can see. Just go ahead and do whatever you came to do, I guess. But...